Mario, huh? Mario.
What is it, Bowser? Can't you see I'm busy doing something waiting for you three?
Mario, I have something special planned for you.
What is it? Just get it over with already.
I started a campaign, didn't get much money, but it got me just enough to buy this bullet bill blaster.
I'm pretty sure that's a mini fridge.
What? No, it's not a mini fridge. It's a bullet bill blaster. See, it's black. It's made by Igloo, and makes this refrigerator noises just like a bullet bill blaster.
Are you serious?
I tested it out myself. Bullet bill blaster, go!
Seriously, looks like the mini fridge, Bowser.
Yo, man, what's up?
And that's a bullet.
Yo, little Bowser. Dude, just shoot at him already.
Alright, I hear. Whoa, what the heck?
Also got a bomb on.
What? See that feeling from the Mario movie?
Yeah. You're getting away this time, Mario. Go, bullet bill blaster.
Wait, how much am I getting paid for this, yo?
What?
Yeah, man, my job basically here is to just come on through, go like, hey, what's up, yo? And then just go, boom, explode. How much do I get paid to explode?
Nothing really. I hired you. The money, kinda used it by me, barber dolls. But hey, I'll make it up to you, buy Taco Bell or whatever.
Alright, I'm just gonna...
Wait a minute. Whoa. Oh. What? This can't get any worse.
I know, right?
Oh, come on.
Oopsies.
Oh, no.